I come from one little place in St. Thomas. We name Dalby.
They say history lives in the past, but sometimes it sits right next to you on a bench in London. This is ERROL, and he's one of the last of the Windrush generation.
My name ERROL. He's a real countryman, you understand? I'm in England over 40 years now.
ERROL, what was it like growing up in St. Thomas?
Boy, when me a youth, we never even have fridge. A simple bush tea we did drink. Life for life, you know, and life rough everywhere.
Little did ERROL know, the cool breeze would soon turn into cold fog as soon as he stepped off that ship in England.
We reached England in 1965. Them call me say them need help to build up them country. And me say to the man say, why me would have left my country to come and fear? The man say him have gold and money.
In the late 1940s to 60s, thousands of Jamaicans came to the UK to help rebuild after the war. They were part of the Windrush generation.